click the sliding menu. Under Manage Teamie section, click People and then select Import People. If required, you can configure the columns that will be present in the bulk import template. Go to the Import People page and click Download Template to download the Excel template file. Open the template. Enter the required information in the respective user field columns. In case you do not wish to add the users to any classrooms through this bulk import template, just remove the columns pertaining to the classrooms. Save the template and go back to the Import People on Teamie. Click Choose File and select the template from your system. You can tick to send one-time login link to the new users while importing the dataset, or you can also do that later from the Manage People page. Then, click Import the Dataset button. Once the import process is successfully completed, you will be redirected to the Manage People page. You will be shown the status of the import process, and an email with a detailed report will be sent to your registered email ID.